everybody, thanks so much for being here with me today on this lovely summer afternoon, early evening. I'm just out here in my garden today. Gonna harvest, see what we harvest to incorporate with tonight's dinner. I have no idea what we're having yet tonight, but whatever we have, it's gonna pretty much be based off of what we find out here in the garden today. So I've got clippers and a couple of bowls and see what we do. I think I want to get a salad going here because I got lettuce here. Let me actually put this down here. So I think at the very least we could do a salad today. So let's actually go from here. So what I like to do when harvesting salad greens, the best time of day to actually do it is in the morning because the lettuce is just crisper then. Like I said, I'm doing this in the late afternoon, which is not my normal time to do this. But what you want to do to keep your harvest continuing, I like to use scissors. You can use a knife. You could just peel it leaf by leaf back. But I do this. I just get my scissor here, and I just take a good chunk here, and I come down from the base here. I actually harvested from here maybe about a week and a half ago, and look at how it comes up so nicely here. I'm just going to take this and I'm going to just snip this all the way across. Now I'll put that in there. Yeah, and if you do this, it's called the cut and come again method. It'll just continue on. And it'll grow back here relatively soon. So we'll have lettuce with our dinner tonight. Try not to get any of the strawberry leaves here. You know, I think I'm going to start charging these critters for being in my garden. That's all there is to it. So what I'll do when I get inside is I'll put these in a bowl of iced water with some salt, and that'll just help clean up any little critters or anything like that, and then just give it a really good wash. Again, if you've watched my videos before, you know I tend to do either the salt or a white vinegar bath with everything. And because as you can see here, yeah, we got a little friend hanging out there. Otherwise, let's see what else we find here. And hey, again, if you have not hit that subscribe or the like, please don't forget to do so if you're enjoying what we're doing here today. You don't want to miss any future videos, or rewind and see any of our past videos as well. Please do so. It's always great. You might find something that is useful, and I certainly hope you do find something useful there that you can turn around and use in your garden or what have you. But let's move on over here. I think we've got some tomatoes. I'm at the strawberries. Some tomatoes. See if we find any there. Okay, so we're over here in our cherry tomato bed here. These are our Red Robin cherry tomatoes. I literally yesterday had to stake them up. This is the first time I've ever had to stake them with any kind of support. These are just, I don't know if we can get in here, these are just completely bogged down with tomatoes galore. So this is fantastic. And I'm just gonna pop over here. Look at that. I mean, there is nothing better than a fresh tomato right off the vine here. So we're just gonna go through and see what we pick here. All right, so this is what we got so far from our Red Robin cherry tomatoes, which I think will just add in nicely. So we'll, make a little salad here. Maybe we'll make some pasta to go with this. We'll see. I'm looking forward to harvesting from the Siberia tomatoes here soon. I've got a lot of tomatoes popping up here. So just keep my fingers crossed here pretty soon. All right, well, thanks for hanging out with me today. I did also want to give you an update. If you watched my video on the pickling that we did the other day, those turned out fantastic. So give that a try. And if you're not familiar with that, go back to that video as well, and you can watch what we did there, because I have all the information on what I used for all of that day. But they did turn out really, really good. We were actually snacking on some of those today. But anywho, thanks for being here with me today. Please don't forget to hit that like, subscribe. Don't forget the notifications there, or hit a comment in the comment section down below if there's anything else you want to see or add or anything like that. Again, thanks so much for being here with me. I'll catch you in the next video.